we're learning that the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta has told the Supreme Court that under the UK law, the extradition cannot take place unless Vijay Mallya here is absolved of any pending case. The centre says that the government of UK is trying to expedite the proceedings against Mallya going on there so that the process of extradition can be kick-started. Important development in the entire case. What really does that mean? We'll have our colleague Nalini just breaking down that for us in a bit. But I'm just reiterating the preliminary information we've collected from her. The SG has informed the Apex Court that under the UK law, the extradition cannot take place unless Vijay Mallya here is absolved of any pending case. The centre has also said that the government of UK right now is trying to expedite the proceedings against Mallya going on there so that the process of extradition can be started. Do remember the government of the day there has moved almost every fora possible to get this economic offender back to the country to ensure that every penny that he needs to pay to the consortium of banks here is done ASAP. Nalini, what really has happened today and what really does this mean for the entire case and the extradition in particular?
Well, Deepthi, this was a contempt case that was filed against Vijay Mallya in which he was asked to appear before the Supreme Court last year, and he failed to do so, of course, because the extradition proceedings against him were still not complete. So in that regard, today the central government has told the Supreme Court that the extradition proceedings are taking a little longer than expected because there are certain cases pending against Vijay Mallya in UK as well, which need to be disposed of before he can be brought back to the country, along with the fact that Vijay Mallya has also raised some objections to the extradition proceedings, of which the hearing is also going on in UK currently. So what they've said is that the government in UK is trying to ensure that they expedite these proceedings as soon as possible so that the proceedings can be completed and his extradition proceedings can be initiated. But that is still likely to take some more time. So the government has been asked to file a status report in the Supreme Court regarding this. And the matter has now been adjourned till the 15th of March, which is when the Supreme Court is going to take it up. And they are likely to once again get an update from the government on what the extradition proceedings are. And basically the intention of the Supreme Court is to ensure that Vijay Mallya can be brought back to India as soon as possible, because that is something that the bench has expressed even in the past when this matter has come up for hearing. But because of the pendency of the legal procedures in the UK as well as India, the matter is taking a little longer. But the centre has assured the Supreme Court today that they are handling this at the highest political as well as administrative level to ensure that it happens as soon as possible.
Okay. All right, Nalini breaking that big information for us. For the moment, Nalini, thank you.